So here's the thing. As with anything in life, if the foundations are broken, everything else could crumble to the ground. Your home is the biggest investment you will ever make in your life. Why put this at risk? With our superior foundation repair services, you don't have to. We specialize in stabilizing the moisture content of soils and clay areas, articulation of structures, underpinning and lifting of structures, crack repair in walls and floors, mini piling, and more. We know no compromise, combining years of experience with passion for what we do to give you peace of mind. With a 100% satisfaction guarantee, there's truly only everything to gain. Give us a call today at the number on screen, and we'll get a free, no obligations quote your way in 24 hours or less. There's no time to lose. Restore your home to its former glory now.